Hey guys, this is Black Cross here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what I'll be showing you guys is how to renovate an old mat. And guys, if you have an old mat just like this and you've been thinking of disposing it, you might reconsider that, because after watching this YouTube video guys, you're going to learn how you can transform your old mat into something brand new, unique, creative, beautiful. You can call it whichever way you want, but it's going to be great. So guys, the materials that you'll need for this project are very simple and few. We'll need the thread, we'll need a crochet, a pair of scissors, and a marker pen for those who want to design their mat. And this time we're not going to use the tapestry because this mat is going to act like the tapestry. It's going to be the base of everything. So if you know how to crochet, it's gonna be easy, but if you don't know how to crochet, you can learn from this video or check out my first YouTube video on how to make a shaggy rug mat. There you're going to learn how to crochet and you can still apply the same skills here. And the best thing about transforming or renovating your mat is it doesn't consume a lot of thread as compared to making a brand new one on a tapestry, because using a mat as the base is kind of the it's kind of the main thing that contributes more on saving the amount of thread, because the tapestry tends to have a lot of holes that tend to consume a lot of threads as compared to this one, which allows you to space your work or your threads the way you want them to be. So this is what I'm doing, and you can see mat 1 by 4 meters. As you can see, I've already filled the edges, quarterly done work, and at the bottom you can see there is no sign of any thread passing through it, which is a good sign. Nobody can know that you renovated your mat. So you can do this and fill your mat till you complete it. And I'm not done filling the mat right now. I can say that I'm halfly done, but I was so excited to share this idea with you guys. I don't know if anyone has ever done it before, but this is my first time transforming a mat or renovating a mat, so I thought that maybe I should share with you guys. So thank you guys for watching, even though my camera wasn't that clear. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Any critique, any question, any comment, drop it at the comment section. I'll make sure that I get back to you. And make sure you subscribe. Thank you again for the 1,000 views on how to make a shaggy rug mat. Keep on viewing, keep on sharing. Till next time, again.